Do you ever wake in the dead of night, heart heavy with the life you could have lived, each hesitation carving a wound that whispers you are not enough? The world expects you to run its race, drowning you in demands and distractions. But every moment you falter steals the clarity your soul aches for. What if in just 7 days you could silence that whisper and forge a purpose so fierce it lights your path forever? This is your turning point. The Stoicism Mindset will awaken the resolute spirit you were always meant to be. Pause now. What choice are you avoiding? The Stoicism Mindset, rooted in the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, turns indecision into bold action. Stoic philosophy teaches you to choose with clarity, not waver under pressure. Indecision, overthinking choices, avoiding risks, lacking direction, clouds your clarity, stealing your focus. But the Stoicism Mindset offers 10 principles to transform you in 1 week. Meet Liora, a 33-year-old artisan from Fez. Liora's indecision stalled her pottery sales, her son's education at risk. I was letting him down, she says, hands trembling on a cracked vase. Stoicism for beginners gave her resolve. She chose one bold action daily, secured a market stall. Liora's transformation fuels Stoicism motivation for anyone trapped in hesitation. This is your Stoic spark, a journey from crossroads to clarity. The Stoicism Mindset builds on a truth Marcus Aurelius carved. The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it. Purpose flows from intent, not drifting through doubts. In Stoicism relationships, decisive choices earn trust, driving self-improvement. Picture Liora in her workshop, her son's sketch nearby, whispering, "I will not fail him." That is the Stoicism Mindset. Resolve over indecision. Let us begin. Choose one path. The first principle the Stoicism Mindset unlocks. Indecision thrives on endless options. Write one decision. Start my project. Commit. Do it today. Act now. Pause for emphasis. Meet Kale, a 31-year-old carpenter from Bergen. Kale's hesitation cost him clients, his family's respect fading. "I am losing them," he choked, tools untouched. Stoicism motivation chose one job. He finished it, regained trust.
"I am decisive," he says, boosting mental health. The Stoicism Mindset sharpens focus, aligning with Stoicism lessons.
Try the path, choose. Commit to one decision today. Now anchor your day, the second principle the Stoicism Mindset ignites. Purposeless days breed hesitation. Set 3 musts. Work, move, reflect. Stick to them. Meet Sylvie, a 29-year-old teacher from Hanoi. Sylvia's indecision dulled her lessons, students distant. "I was adrift," she says, eyes down. Stoicism practice set daily anchors. She taught with purpose, earned praise. "I am steady," she says, driving self-improvement. The Stoicism Mindset builds direction, fostering mindfulness. Use the day anchor. Set 3 daily musts. Take a breath, consider your doubts. Act through doubt. The third principle the Stoicism Mindset sculpts. Doubt stalls action. Name 1. I will fail my pitch. Do 1 step. Practice it once. Picture success. Meet Torin, a 30-year-old chef from Lisbon. Torin's indecision on new recipes emptied his cafe. "I was stuck," he says, voice low. Stoicism daily tried 1 dish, he drew crowds. "Doubt is gone," he says, boosting productivity. The Stoicism Mindset moves through fear, easing anxiety. Try the doubt act. Take 1 step despite doubt. Own your why. The fourth principle the Stoicism Mindset reveals. Lack of purpose clouds choices. Write 1 reason. I want to inspire. Affirm it daily. Act. Share 1 idea. Meet Ria, a 28-year-old coder from Bangalore. Ria's aimless coding stalled her app. Her team frustrated. "I had no why," she says, shoulders slumped. Stoicism for women defined her purpose. She launched, gained users. "I am driven," she says, enhancing mental health. The Stoicism Mindset grounds actions, aligning with Stoicism practice. Try the why own. Affirm 1 purpose daily. With Liora back, Decide now. The fifth principle the Stoicism Mindset demands: hesitation feeds indecision. Use a 3-second rule. Count down, act, call, write, start. Liora wavered on market deals, her son's fees unpaid. I was failing him, she says, heart pounding. Stoicism motivation pushed instant decisions. She booked. A stall sold out. I choose now, she says, fueling self-improvement. The Stoicism mindset kills delay, strengthening Stoicism relationships. Try the now decide. Act on one choice fast. Liora's resolve proves, now is your power. Seneca said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Face the cost. The sixth principle the Stoicism mindset forges. Indecision carries consequences. List one risk of waiting. I will lose my chance. Act. Apply today. Meet Vale, a 32-year-old musician from Chicago. Vale's hesitation lost him gigs, his career flat. I was fading, he says, guitar silent. Stoicism practice faced the cost. He booked one show, toured again. I am bold, he says, boosting motivation. The Stoicism mindset clarifies stakes, enhancing mindfulness. Use the cost face. Act to avoid one consequence. Pause. What distracts you? Cut the clutter, the seventh principle the Stoicism mindset sharpens. Distractions fuel indecision. Clear one. Limit X to 10 minutes. Commit. No scrolling during work. Meet Kalia, a 34-year-old writer from London. Kalia's indecision buried her book. Deadlines missed. I was lost, she says. Pages blank. Stoicism for beginners cut distractions. She wrote daily. Published. I am clear, she says. Driving productivity. The Stoicism mindset locks in focus, aligning with Stoicism on love. Try the clutter cut. Clear one distraction. Reflect on purpose. The eighth principle the Stoicism mindset deepens. Journal nightly. One choice, one outcome, one purpose. Spot indecision. I overthink options. Meet Nira, a 27-year-old designer from Lima. Naira's hesitation stalled her art. Clients gone. I was nowhere, she says, canvas bare. Stoicism daily journaled. She created, gained contracts. I know my path, she says, boosting Stoic spark. The Stoicism mindset sharpens clarity, enhancing self-improvement. Try the purpose, reflect. Journal one choice, one purpose. Picture your best self. Live your vision. The ninth principle. The Stoicism mindset elevates. See your decisive, purposeful self. Act as them. Lead one task. Affirm, I am resolute. Meet Corinne, a 29-year-old entrepreneur from Nairobi. Corinne's indecision stalled her startup. Funds low. I was stuck, she says, dreams fading. Stoicism practice. Acted decisively, she pitched, grew her brand. I am her now, she says, fostering mental health. The Stoicism mindset bridges now and future, boosting productivity. Try the vision live. Act once as your best self. With Oren returning, act with intent. The 10th principle the Stoicism mindset commands. Voice raw. Every day counts. Ask, what is my intent today? Do one act. Say no to doubt. Oren, a 35-year-old coach from Rio, saw her indecision nearly break her business, her daughter's dreams at risk. I watched her hope fade, and I broke, she says, tears falling. Stoicism for beginners acted with intent. She trained clients, saved her work. I am her strength, she says, boosting Stoic spark. The Stoicism mindset shapes your week, enhancing motivation. Try the intent act. Do one intentional act. The Stoicism mindset transforms you in 7 days. Your choices sharpen your mind. Your resolve earns respect. Your purpose anchors you in work, love, life. Picture Liora now, her stall thriving, her son proud. I almost lost him, she says, calm, but I chose clarity. Her Stoic spark proves you can too. Meet Aaron, a 40-year-old farmer from Galway. Aaron's indecision delayed his crops, his family hungry. I failed them, he says. Fields barren. Stoicism practice chose one task he planted, fed his home. I am enough, he says, fueling motivation. Or take Dax, a 25-year-old student from Manila. Dax's hesitation stalled his exams, his future dim. I was slipping away, he says, books unopened. Stoicism for beginners acted fast, he studied. Passed. I am focused, he says, boosting Stoic spark. Then meet Mira, a 50-year-old healer from Oaxaca. Mira's doubts slowed her practice, patience lost. I was fading, she says, hands still. Stoicism daily rebuilt her purpose. She healed again. I am whole, she says, driving self-improvement. Ready to ignite your Stoic spark? Here are 10 Stoicism exercises for Stoicism for beginners, building mental health, focus, and clarity. Path choose. Commit to one decision today. Day anchor. Set 3 daily musts. Doubt act. Take one step despite doubt. Why own? Affirm one purpose daily. Now decide. Act on one choice fast. Cost. Face. Act to avoid one consequence. Clutter cut. Clear one distraction. Purpose. Reflect. Journal one choice. One purpose. Vision. Live. Act once as your best self. Intent act. Do one intentional act. These exercises light your Stoic spark. Liora's pottery, Aaron's coaching, Aaron's fields prove it. The Stoicism mindset overcomes indecision to transform you in 1 week. For 7 days, try one Stoicism exercise, choose a path, act fast, reflect, and journal one bold choice daily. Picture day 7, clear, bold, unstoppable. Aaron holds her daughter saying, I am her strength now. Your indecision is your crossroads. Your Stoicism mindset is your spark. Start your 7-day Stoicism mindset journey today. Pick one exercise, journal your first bold choice, and share one lesson with a friend to ignite your Stoic spark. Pause weekly to reflect alone or with a mentor. Building a life of clarity and purpose. #Stoicism. #Stoicism Mindset.